Difference between grilling and barbecuing. Grilling and barbecuing are both popular outdoor cooking methods that use heat, but they differ in temperature, cooking time, and technique. Grilling is a high-heat, fast-cooking method. Food is placed directly over an open flame or heat source, typically on a grill. It cooks quickly and is ideal for smaller, tender cuts of meat like steaks, burgers, hot dogs, and vegetables. Grilling usually takes just a few minutes and gives food a nice sear and smoky flavor. Barbecuing, on the other hand, is a low and slow method. It involves cooking food at a lower temperature, often over indirect heat, for several hours. Barbecuing is perfect for tougher cuts of meat like ribs, brisket, or pork shoulder, as the long cooking time helps break down the fibers and make the meat tender and flavorful. In summary, grilling is quick, high-heat cooking over direct flame, while barbecuing is slow cooking over low heat, often with smoke. Both produce delicious results but are suited to different types of food and cooking styles. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.